Hey guys, and welcome to today's video, which is a hair vlog. So in this video I'm going to be bringing you guys to my hair appointment to get this unit installed right here. This hair was actually sent to me by Yolissa Hair, so thank you to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this beautiful highlighted wig. I literally love it. At first I was definitely a little bit nervous to do this wig because I did not know if the brown was going to wash me out or anything like that, but y'all, I'm not nervous no more. I literally think it looks so good on me, and as soon as my hairdresser put it on my head, I said, oh yeah, this is about to eat. And that's exactly what it's doing. Like, it's doing its job. I just want to show you guys everything that came in the box with the wig. So it obviously has some goodies in here, so I'm just gonna go through them really quickly with y'all. So first we have a pair of lashes, a new edge brush, which I always need new edge brushes. And I know a lot of people actually do enjoy using the edge brushes that have like all the gunk on it, but like it hurts. Like when it's rock hard, it literally like hurts my forehead. I like switching mine out very regularly, so this is obviously something that's gonna come in handy. Then we have a Yolissa Hair satin scarf, a new melt band, which is always needed because I'm literally always losing mine, so I'm literally gonna use that tonight. A Yolissa Hair branded melt band, a wig cap, and it also came with a Yolissa Hair bag to put the wig in to bring to the hair appointment or to put back in whenever you end up taking the wig off. I'm literally in love with my hair. This brown literally just brings out my skin tone in the best way possible. Once again, thank you to Yolissa Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this beautiful unit. And I will see you guys at my hair appointment.
If you choose to